Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to use the block tools in AutoCAD. Let's get started. A block can be a collection of line, polyline, circle, text, and art that can be combined together to form a single object and can be used repeatedly. The block tools is located at the Revit beside the layers tools. We're going to discuss how to create a block, how to insert it, how to edit it, and how to edit a block using Explode. To start, I have created a wall and I have created window, and then I created door. I will then create a block from these objects so that I could insert it here, and for the door I'm gonna insert it here. To create a block, simply click this icon, put the name, pick a insertion point, so uncheck this specific on screen, pick point, I'm gonna pick this endpoint, I'm gonna select the object, enter, and I'm gonna press OK. Let's do it again for the door. Click create, put the name, pick your insertion point, I'm gonna choose this, and then I'm gonna select all the object and then press enter and OK. So once you created the block, you can now use the insert to insert the block. Let's try the door first. I'm gonna click the door. In this example, I want to rotate the door. So you can either click the rotate or type R and then enter. I'm gonna choose this endpoint and this endpoint, and then now it rotated on this axis, and I could click it again for the position. So let's insert the window. Here, I don't need to rotate, so I'm just gonna click on the endpoint. Here, I need to rotate again, so I'm gonna type R and then enter. I'm gonna choose this endpoint and this endpoint, and then now I could place it on the position. What if you have this situation? I'm gonna insert a door. I'm going to rotate it, so type R, enter. I'm gonna choose this line that is perpendicular to this line. And then lastly, I'm going to place it on the position. So now let's try to edit a block. So if you edit this block, all the changes that you made here will be reflected to the same blocks. So I'm going to click the window. I'm going to edit. I'm going to choose the window and press OK. Now we are in the block editor. Here I'm going to choose the layer window first. I'm going to put a line from here to this endpoint and this to this endpoint. I'm going to press escape to exit and then close block editor. Save the changes to the window. And as you can see, the changes that I created here will be reflected to all the blocks. But what if you only want to change this specific block and not the rest? To do that, you have to select the window. You need to select this icon, explode. So once it's exploded, you can do your changes here. And then now it doesn't reflect the other windows. You can either leave it as is, or you can also create another block and name it window 2. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.